Alright, and as promised, this is my newest addition to the family. My Les Paul 2007 Studio. Pickups have been upgraded. Dude that had it before was the first owner. He bought it brand new in '07. And he, about a year after he owned it, he upgraded to EMG 81 active and 85 active in the neck. And it's pretty sweet. He took great care of it, and is left-handed. So just, I've been looking for a real Les Paul. Finally, I got a real one, a real Gibson, folks. That's right, Gibson. One I could afford. So anyway, it's got a cool little crunch to it. It'll do the metal, but I really like it for the crunch because it's got that nice Gibson little crunch to it, and it sounds pretty sweet. So give you a little taste of it. Alright, one more little taste.